Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This is our Park Studies class. Today we are going to discuss deforestation at page number 81. Open your books of Park Studies at page number 81. Deforestation. Let me tell you what is deforestation. The action of clearing of void areas of trees is called deforestation. Students, let me also tell you that for the progress of a country, it is very mandatory that its 20 to 25% of total area should consist of forest. But in our country, only 5% trees have been grown up. There has been no increase in the progress of forests since long. There are many reasons for the shortage in trees. Today we are going to discuss these reasons. Okay. The first reason of deforestation is excessive cutting of trees. The second one is increase in population. When human population grows, there is a great need to make them developed there, so trees are cut down to make the earth clear for the residential colonies. Increase in salinity and waterlogging. What is salinity? The excess of underground water gives rise to waterlogging, and this salinity is caused by the lack of underground water. Diseases of trees. Diseases of trees also affect the area of deforestation. When trees suffer from some fatal diseases, they have to cut down. So it also becomes a reason of deforestation. Breaking out of fires. When there is sudden fires in forest, it also causes the damage of trees, leading towards deforestation. Environmental pollution. Pollution is caused by smoke arising from factories, mills, and pollution is also affected. Pollution also badly affects the learners like you by causing mental fatigue for them. Shortage of water. And now students, we are going to discuss problems that are created by deforestation. Decrease in income. Okay, when there is deforestation, government income or economic progress stops, causing decrease in income. Increase in soil erosion. When trees are cut down, the top layer of soil is badly affected, giving rise to soil erosion. Climatic changes. When there are climatic changes, they also affect the growth of trees. Sedimentation. You can say that sedimentation is due to the water shortage capacity. Decrease in wildlife. Deterioration. Increase in population. Okay, these were the problems created by deforestation. Now students, what type of steps are being taken by the government to overcome deforestation or to improve wildlife or for the growth of forests? We are going to discuss them. Tree plantation campaign. The government is struggling very hard to increase the area of the forest. It is taking many steps every year. The plantation campaign is launched twice a year. Imports of seeds. The government also provides various kinds of seeds, and in this regard, nurseries are grown up with the help of these seeds. and people are provided good seeds so that the trend of growing trees may be developed. Okay. Advertisement campaign is also launched, and in this regard electronic and print media plays very important role. It creates awareness among the people how we can increase the area of forest. Okay. Short questions, students, we discussed the material. From that you can take out short questions like this. What are the reasons of deforestation? We have discussed them. You will find out them again and you will write in your Park Studies notebooks. Second question is, what are problems created by deforestation? The third question is, what are steps taken by government for forests? Okay, these are the short questions. You will have to write them in your Park Studies notebooks. Now let's have our diary. In our classwork we discussed deforestation, and our homework is learn classwork and write short questions. Okay students, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.